Hi everyone, it's Carling with the Park Group and it's Walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm so excited to be out here in Seabrook Village with my good friend Mark Shermer of Providence Homes, and Mark has a stunning move-in ready home to show us. So Mark, please take it away.
Absolutely. So we are in front of the brand new, one of three brand new plans by Providence. It's the Summerfield, 5-bed, 4-bath, over 2397 square feet. And let's get started. Are you ready?
Awesome, I'm ready to take a look.
All right.
Move-in ready.
Move-in ready. We got brick paver entry, brick paver driveway, and a beautiful coastal blue color on this door. Lets in some natural light with the 3-panel glass. Come on in. Let's check it out.
Beautiful. We've never done this floor plan.
No, this is all new.
before.
So dramatic 2-story foyer, 18, 20-foot ceiling there, wood treads on the stairs. Oh, let's check out this kitchen.
So elegant.
Yeah.
I love this kitchen.
Yeah, the decorator kind of threw us a little bit of a curveball with this very cool cool blue-gray island. And if we look at the quartz, it's actually got a very slight blue veining color to it, and it really offsets the tan cabinets. Just absolutely stunning. The normal farmhouse sink, got some brushed nickel fixtures, but yeah, it's really well put together. That little blue-gray color shows up in the backsplash as well.
Oh yeah, I love the color selection in
and as
here.
we turn the corner, another surprise here, we've got a really well put together mudroom.
So nice, right off the kitchen.
Plenty of room to throw the backpack, all the books, lunch pails, everything.
Perfect drop zone.
Yeah, and laundry rooms, pantries, always the hit with our home buyers in this market, and this pantry is just crushing it. It is massive. I think it's about 7-8 feet deep, all wood shelves, so nice upgraded, pointed there. And as we spin around, we've got a laundry room that also doesn't disappoint. We've got the built-in cabinets, the sink, and as we go around the corner, there's even more cabinets for storage.
I love the countertop space in the laundry room too. That's
people
so
want a
nice.
little bit of area to fold stuff,
Yes.
put stuff away. You've got plenty of counter space for that. We'll take a quick view out here. This is one of the few houses that have the high-end epoxy, the polysporadic flooring already put in. So the garage is pristine, ready for the antique car, the car enthusiast, wood shop guys, but it is all set up.
That's really nice.
Yeah. So the rest of the great room, just a wide open concept with dining, living, kitchen. You're not really pinned in on any size table and chairs with this open dining area. As we go to the left, this picks up the first floor guest suite. Did a little pocket door, and you've got a hall bath. So if you have a guest that may not want to navigate stairs, you do have that first floor guest suite, or it could be a study, den, office, what have you.
Ideal, and it's so separate and private from the primary. It's very quiet.
Yeah. As you spin around here, this also features one of the dwindling supplies we have out here, which is a true preserve home site. Generous backyard. It's even got the pre-plumb for a summer kitchen, natural gas line, place to put the TV, the mini fridge. So the patio is just waiting to be outfitted with a outdoor oasis. And as always, we've got the triple sliders for light and ease of access.
Beautiful preserve view.
Yeah. So it's a primary bedroom. If we pan up a little bit, you'll see the tray ceiling. It's got the extra LED lights for crisp lighting. Another signature of the Providence home, you have a certified or a dedicated thermostat just for the bedroom, just here on the wall. It's got a really luxury tile. Carling, what do you think of that tile?
I love that. That is so unique and beautiful, and I love that it's throughout the entire bathroom.
Yeah, it's got the tan and the gold tone mixed together with the gray. Got soap niche, little corner bench, well-appointed shower, linen closet, plenty of storage in the owner's closet as well.
Very spa-like.
All right.
The color selections, they really just make this home pop.
It really does. So one of the nice finishing touches you might have noticed on the video, but you've got the flat stock trim or the farmhouse trim. So it's a little bit larger baseboard, all the trim around the doors, and this does feature smooth walls throughout, which is a level 5 drywall finish. It's a really nice upgrade.
Very elegant.
Yeah. All right, so let's
Another-
see what we got upstairs. I think there is a under the stairs storage closet right off the foyer here. Perfect for extra, I call it the Costco closet. You can fit in your extra paper towels and whatnots and cases of things. So that gives you that additional storage we all need.
So much storage in this house, because that pantry is also extra, very
Oh my
large.
gosh, yeah, it's double Costco closets for sure. So we go upstairs. We got again the 2-story foyer. It's got the wood tread upgrades, so very easy to maintain and clean the stairs. As we approach the top, you've got a little tech center, a little mini loft, so just a little flex space for the kids to unwind, do some homework, etc.
Tons of natural light up here.
Yeah, so the first floor had 2 beds, 2 baths with the primary, and upstairs we do have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath configuration. So all in, the house is a 5-4 plus the loft.
And this is the Summerfield floor plan.
Correct.
Beautiful.
The front bedroom has the fun little 3 transom windows, lets in a lot of natural light.
Very
and then,
nice.
yeah, you got this closet there. Excuse me. And we got the 3rd bedroom over here.
Extra storage.
Yeah, and what would be, I guess, technically the 5th bedroom. This bedroom is en suite, so it's got the built-in bathroom en suite plus a walk-in closet. Yeah, again, high-end finishes, the same tile that was in the owner's suite, the tan cabinets. And we're going to dip into the mechanical room. One of the things that does make Providence stand out and unique from the others is you have a professionally designed mechanical HVAC with engineers designing it for every home. There are 3 zones. As we pan around just to the left, per Energy Star new guidelines, we've added a whole house dehumidifier. So when it's humid but not quite hot, this is going to take over, just take the moisture out of your house. Again, cleaner, quieter, more efficient, and more comfort. So definitely something you want to look for in a new home. And as we look up, icing on the cake, we have spray foam. So the attics are conditioned. You don't have heat intrusion, wind-driven rain, pests, wind-blown, dust. So it just keeps it, again, cleaner and much more efficient where you don't have heat gain in the attic space. So again, something to look for in a brand new home for sure. All right.
And reminder, we are in Seabrook Village in Nocatee.
Phase 2, yeah.
Not far from the Seabrook Park and the brand new St. Johns County Sable Crest Academy. This is a wonderful location and a beautiful, beautiful home.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to show you this home. We're here to show you guys this house and a few others we have ready now. We'd love to see you.
Wonderful. Can you remind people how they can get in touch with you?
Yes, Mark Shermer, Providence Homes, 904-625-1929. Love to hear from you. Take you on a tour of what we have to offer.
Thank you, Mark, for having us,
My
and we'll
pleasure.
see you guys next week for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Bye.